Kama chelo nyako Ramogi juang wayudo kanyo matimore pacho kae nye boma Nairobi kama jadolo maduong' mar kanisa Anglican Jackson Ole Sapit okwayo kwe kod geno ne Jokenya e kinde makoro Jokenya kata bed ni kalo e nengo mar ngima matek pacho ka. Ole Sapit mane loso kod jofwambo bang' alam e kanisa mar All Saints Cathedral Nairobi okwedo timbe mag jotije piny owacho ma okoni okodeo Jokenya maywago nengo ngima. Okoni chakre higa manyien winjo duok piny wuoth maidhie pinje maoko ne jotelo mapacho ka mondo omendago otigodo e duoko ngima piny.
When the future is very, very bleak and we are not seeing headway, it's not only threat because of war, but also economic threat give us the same darkness where God asks us to ask for a sign, and the sign given is Emmanuel, God with us. And therefore what we want to urge all of us, particularly those who are policymakers and our government of the day, is that the high cost of living is a reality. Every Kenya is experiencing the high cost of fuel, the cost of the dollar, and those who are doing business and importing things, and we depend with a lot of imported things, are making every aspect of life very, very hard. So what we want to urge our policymakers is let us do our priorities right, because we cannot also manage an economy when we are having wrong priorities.